As a content creator, staying motivated can be challenging at times. The pressure of consistently producing high-quality content can be overwhelming, especially when facing creative block or negative feedback. However, maintaining motivation is essential to continue creating content that resonates with your audience.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine.
One way to stay motivated is to set clear goals for yourself. These goals should be specific, measurable, and achievable, with a clear timeline for completion. For example, you may set a goal to publish 2 blog posts per week or to create 1 new video each month. By breaking down your goals into smaller achievable tasks, you can stay motivated and focused on making progress.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
Another way to stay motivated as a content creator is to seek inspiration from others. This can be done by following other content creators in your niche and studying their work. Do not copy. Pay attention to what type of content are resonating with their audience and try to apply those techniques to your own work. I repeat, do not copy. Additionally, attending conferences and networking events can provide opportunity to connect with other creators and gain inspiration and motivation from their stories and experiences. It's also important to remember that motivation isn't always going to come naturally. There will be times when you don't feel inspired or creative, and that's okay. During this time, it can be helpful to take a step back and focus on self-care. Engage in activities that bring you joy and help you relax, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. By taking care of yourself, you can recharge and come back to your content with renewed motivation. In conclusion, as a content creator, motivation is crucial for success. By setting clear goals, seeking inspiration from others, and prioritizing self-care, you can stay motivated and continue creating content that resonates with your audience. Remember, staying motivated isn't always easy, but with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your goals and create content that you are proud of.
Hey. I beg. God, I have said, it's like 25 minutes into this exercise, 25 minutes, 10 seconds into this exercise. That means we still have 20 minutes, 19 seconds to go. Jeez. I'm exhausted.